I'm going to show you right quick how to clean a mass airflow sensor. It's going to be in between the air filter box and the throttle body. First thing you want to do is disconnect your battery cable, then unplug the wire and harness. Then you want to remove it from the vehicle. Inside there's a couple little wires, and sometimes they get dirty. It can make your mass airflow sensor read bad or make the vehicle run poorly. What you want to use is mass airflow sensor. Don't use anything else. What you want to do is just spray it down really good, clean them wires. And then just let it air dry for half an hour or so. Then reinstall it on your car and you should be good to go. I hope this video helped you. If you liked it, please remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.